Lord, can I be permitted to move a matter tomorrow? Small matter.
No, time. If time permits, otherwise, so okay, then we'll see to it.
Obliged.
Made Mr. Lordship. Lordship, the bail application, my lord, I am paying for listing tomorrow.
So vacation bench will be on second and third. In fact.
My lord?
Vacation
Yes.
bench will be on second and third.
Yes, that's right.
Second and
Uh,
But
huh?
during vacation, I will not be here. So tomorrow is last day, my lord. So it is not, it is already regular bail.
Huh?
439, my lord. Bail.
Okay, now also today also 63 matters have been taken. Huh? 69 matters. So we are rising by 315, 310. So all matters will be again left now. So this kind of chit chat tomorrow also
Well,
we will be having a meeting.
let us try our luck, my lord. I'm out.
May I please, your Lordship. Lordship, I have a similar prayer, Lordship. The other 3 matters arising out of the same affair, Lordship. It is fixed on tomorrow, Lordship. On tomorrow, Lord.
Tomorrow is the last day then. Where from other day?
Lordship, other matters are,
Vacation bench are there.
Lordship, other matters are fixed on tomorrow, Lordship, arising out of the same affair, Lordship. That is why I did not take time to.
Party order. Okay.
Obliged.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, in item number 26, I have filed an affidavit. That may be called for, my lord.
Huh?
Item number 26, I have filed an affidavit, my lord. That may be called for in the record.
May I please, Lordship?
26. Huh?
26.
May I please, Lordship? So I recommend item number 47 of today's list. My lord, city has not come, Lordship, today. So, my lord, petitioner is an interim, Lordship. So, city may be called for, Lordship.
You are on input.
Lordship.
This 29. 29 7.
Obliged.
9 7. 29.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention, my lord, one motion matter, my lord, kindly come tomorrow, my lord.
Please, I don't know if it reaches this.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 27, Lordship. Lordship, kindly adjourn for the date, Lordship. Engagement alarm was out of
Alarm multiply is affected.
yes, Lordship.
I don't know. Otherwise, we have cat copy of it will be after vacation.
Obviously.
May I please item 27. So it's the mail method.
May I please, Your Lordship, praying for listing this matter by tomorrow, Your Lordship. It's a bail application, Your Lordship. Listing by tomorrow, Your Lordship.
So see, there are on second and third and again 11 and 12. The vacancy by could be available. Because tomorrow lots of matters are there. You can make a mention for listing on second and second, third, second or
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 68, Lordship. Perhaps CD not received, Lordship. Maybe immediately after requesting, Lordship. 68, supplementary list.
charges are So are you on it?
No.
Yes, number.
Yes, number 124 of the 24, dated 3324.
Dated?
33.
Your Mr.
Yes, Alam.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship, I want to mention regarding listing of a fresh motion for tomorrow, Lordship.
What kind of?
Anticipatory bill, Lordship.
So now, if it's so not so urgent, then you can list it by 23rd, 2nd or 3rd.
Lordship.
Because tomorrow,
Kindly can you tomorrow,
what
Lordship?
urgency is there? It is a bail AB.
Yes, Lordship.
We'll get it on 2nd. Why I'm saying that already lots of matters have been already picked and that apart, other matters are totally discussed already. Try your luck.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 52, Lordship. Kindly adjourn the matter. 52, Lordship. Kindly adjourn the matter for the Lordship.
It is
If we have received the CD, are you on internet?
No, Lordship. On 16, Lordship.
Yes,
On 16, Lordship, after vacation.
can it be retained CD or we have to return?
Liberty may be given if it is required by the court of law to send it and submit again. If it is required, my lord, they will take it and submit by the IO.
No, obviously it has to be submitted.
Yes. No, if it is required by the IO, my lord, let it. So, my lord, Lordship may not retain it.
Will not pass the order on retaining.
Retaining. Just
Oh. Recording now.
16, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. My Lord, I pray for adjournment of item number 12 of today's list. First day listing, Your Lordship. Let the matter come after vacation, Your Lordship. Motion matter.
It's a criminal petition.
Yes, Your Lordship. Let the matter come on 19, Your Lordship, of the next month. 12.
You're taking 19th.
My Lord.
Can it
Motion matter. Motion day.
has to be on 23.
Highly oblige you.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16 and probably, Lordship, case diary is not there, Lordship.
16.
69, Lordship.
69.
it is not received.
There is no interim, Lordship. May I pray for the reopening day, Lordship?
After vacation,
Yes, Lord.
will it be
Reopening day.
reopening? Can it be possible or no?
70.
70.
Oblige.
May,
It's not there.
may I please, item number 65, I am the respondent and I have filed a written objection. So if that could be brought on record. 5.
You have filed an objection?
Yes.
65, they have filed their objection as a respondent.
Much up.
When you have filed?
Today only.
Today only?
Yeah.
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord? My lord, may I make a mention for an urgent listing tomorrow, my lord?
What is the urgent?
That is the anticipatory bill application, my lord.
It is not urgent.
My lord, anticipatory bill is very urgent in my case because of the fact that, my lord, the police are, my lord, after a person without an FIR having been filed against me, my lord. That is the urgency, my lord. This is the, my lord, clash between two corporates, my lord, the Discovery Channel and some other, my lord. And they are, my lord. My lord. Tomorrow, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, 15, and item number 55 of the daily list. My lord, these two matter may come after vacation.
15 and?
55. Because 55 is an IA with regard to criminal appeal. It will take time. So, like, after vacation, both the matters, my lord. 15 and 55, my lord.
15. After vacation?
After vacation, my lord.
That's right. Thank you. After 15 or after vacation?
My lord, my lord. Oblige, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to make item number 28, Your Lordship.
28.
FSL is probably not there, Your Lordship. FSL is not there, Your Lordship.
You are 28.
28.
Yes.
Maybe on fixed on 3rd, Your Lordship, vacation benches. Because already 48 days, Your Lordship.
We cannot,
Your Lordship, 48 days already in there.
no, we cannot fix it. Problem otherwise. You can make a mention again. Please can make a mention. You list it on the either second or third. But we cannot fix the date. Otherwise, FSL is not. When he is
10-5, Your Lordship.
Huh?
40.
Everybody, whether probability of filing on the sheet of FSL is not getting paid. So he has become 49 days.
49 days.
49 days. Take everybody whether possibly therefore, obtaining the FSL or filing of the charge date. With the timing 20 minutes.
Okay, Your Lordship. In the matter reach.
Huh? Yes, that's over telephonic. With the time.
Obliged.
Timing it.
Net please, Your Lordship. My Lord, I beg to mention item number 34, my Lord. 34, my Lord, case there is not there, my Lord. In team is not there.
34 years, 34. Something.
Not actually not there, madam. According to
Are you on in?
Yes, ma'am.
It's 29, 29, 59.
Yeah, so I'd like to mention regarding item number 30 of today's list. This matter relates to UAPA, and I have been informed by my client lordship that on last Monday, the investigating officer has filed application for extension of time. So I have to go through these documents, lordship. So I will apply for certificate copy and I will go through. Lordship may fix it immediately after vacation, lordship. Because that will have some bearing in the bill hearing.
But the application has already been disposed of or
I have been told that it is disposed of. So I have to get that copy and I can make submission from therein because they will show some materials therein also. So it will be helpful in deciding the bill application. So after vacation, immediately after vacation, any day. Similar to also item number 36 here also I have been told that case diary is not received.
in which
Item number 36.
we received the case that something 36.
36.
No. Are you on it?
I am on inquiry.
It did not.
Lord, oblige.
That 36. You're on 36.
I am on 30. I beg to mention item number 42, 43. In this matter, up-to-date CD, that is scanned copy of statement of Abdul Baten Chaudhuri, one of the petitioner, was called for. And 42, 43. It is not received, but one more thing, CD according to up-to-date CD. And his 164 statement was also recorded. So kindly call the 164 statement along with the scanned copy of the CD of Abdul Baten Chaudhuri statement.
Maharashtra non-divided order. Photo of you're saying 160 for Abdul Batin Chaudhary. Is
Yes.
there any I'm finding any note, such kind of note in the rate sheet or any order?
Sorry for that, sir.
Now you mean to say that Abdul Batin Chaudhary's statement is required?
Required, Lord.
Yes, so me and
42 cities are required by us. What are 11 and 12 by us.
Muradhar?
Muradhar 11,
Muradhar 11 of
24.
And Muradhar other one?
12.
So 11 you have received. So as per you, in which case his statement was recorded?
In both cases, sir.
In both the
Both
cases.
cases. In both
Other
cases.
city also comes.
No, as per him, he has given the 164 statement.
Yes.
That is there. You know. So whether there is the 164 statement of Abdul Batin Chaudhary is available?
If there is 164 statement, because as per our information, because they are a family member, they got the information that 164 statement has been recorded. Your Lordship may pass an order. If there is 164 statement, that may be called for along with the city in Muradhar PS case number 12.
He is also accused.
These are also.
Another that was accused after all for
Any shorter date, Lordship. I am not interim. 26.
26 because after 15 weeks, I mean after beginning.
We are not interim. 15 or 16. It's a long pending case, so kindly consider it. Obliged.
May we calling for a city of 12.
12.
May I please?
12 and 164 if it is available.
May I please, Lordship? Yesterday leftover matter, item number 52 was there, my lord. Today's item 67, matter may be taken away at 2 minutes. Otherwise, regular bail
Lots of
execution.
matters are there. If it comes, then only.
My lord, regular bail execution statutory.
62.
This is 67, ma'am. Item 67.
67.
My lord.
Which track?
At 2, ma'am.
That 1 second.
At 2, my lord.
Don't know. At 2. Only 1 hour will be.
Regular bail execution, it is
Whatever.
statutory is going to now.
Lots of matters.
No, please, Lordship.
You want to withdraw this?
Yes, my lord. With liberty to file again, my lord. According to my client instruction, my lord.
But is there any
Because,
technical
my lord,
irregularity or what?
my lord, with liberty again file, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, the development is there, my lord. Amendment is required, my lord.
That's wrong.
College.
May I please, your Lordship? The 439 application, Lordship. The matter pertains to the transportation of cattle, Lordship. Two petitioners before Lordship. Petition number 1, Lordship. Siraj Ali, he is the driver of the vehicle, Lordship. And petition number 2, Lordship. Dilwar Hussain, he is the owner of the 7 numbers of cattle, Lordship. I have annexed cattle parcel received, Lordship, in my petition, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see the FIR page 14, Lordship. Lordship? Lordship, it is not a stolen cattle as alleged in the FIR, Lordship. The purchased cattle, Lordship, your Lordship, kindly see page.
That is your take. It is obviously not purchased cattle, not stolen cattle, purchased cattle. Now you will supply the receipts also. Audit is going. So they have placed it on 13/6.
Lordship.
They should be on immediate.
Can be on vacation code, Lordship, the metro, the case register at the Kheti place, the metro district itself, Lordship. Can it be on 3, Lordship?
Oh, he cannot fix it on 3. I mean, vacation code. You may make a mention on code. If you call for it there, you can make a mention.
Lordship.
So we are calling and it on immediately on the opening there
Lordship.
and you make a mention that maybe this.
Lordship.
You can make it.
Lordship. Now, Lordship.
This is under Cattle Protection Act. If your Lordship 439 application, your Lordship. If your Lordship goes to the FIR, that is at page 18, your Lordship. The basic allegation is that he does not have the legal documents of this ownership, your Lordship. Precisely on that, your Lordship, on 14 days, your Lordship. And your Lordship will get page 24 onwards the Lordship. Custodial interrogation probably further is not required in this case.
Same thing, we are fixing it on 15/7.
Lords.
Liberty you can make it.
Lords. Deeply obliged, Your Lord. No.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, this is a 439 application in connection with POCTO case number 90, public 24, under section 366.
So 19.
Yes, ma'am. Under section 366, 376, 1 and right with section 4 of the POCTO Act. Lordship, FIR is in page 15.
He is in custody.
He is in custody. Yes. Lordship, he is in custody since 71 days. And he is just a young boy of 19 years. Lordship. Lordship, in the FIR, the offence is alleged against the main accused who is in custody and his parents.
Main accused is the petitioner.
Yes. Lordship. Lordship, then if you see the charge sheet, Page 34.
Charge sheet. Charge sheet.
It's a certificate.
Notice and my lord LCR.
I have attached all the charge sheet and the medical report with the petition. If you see page 34 of the charge sheet,
What is the scale of the case at present?
it's in
And has
evidence.
already been paid?
Yes, that has been paid. FSL has given a negative result for the presence of spermatozoa. It's clearly written.
So 1/7 is the date for production and evidence.
Plus.
As per the order sheet dated by name. 1/7 is the date for production as well as for evidence will be evidence of the victim will be recorded. The
Yes.
date will be easier for us.
Yes, sir. After
Now
that,
obviously you are on medical report. I can understand that spermatozoa was not seen while examining her vaginal swab and all.
But Lordship, like is a young boy of 19 years, Lordship, please consider it.
Notice response number 3 also.
yes, notice to respond over 2 months.
Yes, when it can be.
My
By
lord,
then, hopefully one witnesses will be
yeah, 4th week or 1st of August, my lord, 1st week of August. Then at least,
should be accepted for it.
if it is the
Interim may
evidence,
be given to
if evidence will be done
Yeah.
there,
No, but
yes, after
they are giving you 24/7. By that time, it's the main thing.
Okay.
My lord, the petitioner in judicial custody from last 16 days. Section 11 and kettle. And there is no question of stealing or theft is there. He has purchased it, but he could not produce the. Only one cow is there. And he has given the address of the person from whom he has purchased. My lord, as early as possible, 17 or 18 it will be.
Oh, I was supposed to be on 16. So I was
you are saying
17.
on 18.
16?
Yes.
Oblige, my lord.
Here.
No.
Yes, any other subject?
Nothing.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. This is a 439 bail application in connection with DRI case under section 8C, 21C, 22C, 23C of NDPS Act, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is innocent and has been falsely implicated in this case. And she was been arrested on 3rd of February 2024 on a train, namely Kanchanjunga Express, a train coming from Silchar towards Guwahati. And she was being arrested on coach number A1 of that particular compartment of that train. And presently she is under incarceration for more than 144 days from the date of her arrest, and charge sheet has not been filed till date, my lord. My lord, there are also a lot of merits of this case. Kindly see page number 13, Annexure 1. My lord, in Roman 1, that sir on 02/02/2024, specific intelligence was received by the DRI officer of DRI, Guwahati Zonal Unit, to effect that 4 persons, including 2 ladies, namely Samsuddin Kazi, Zubinur Kazi, Saria Begum Kazi, and Malasina, of the same syndicate involved in smuggling of narcotics drugs, are carrying substantial quantity of narcotics drugs, and they are traveling in a train number 13176, Silchar Karimganj Express, at seat number 20, 22, 24, and 35 of coach number A1 of the state train. My lord, it has been, my point is that the prosecution was having prior information in the present case. Despite that, the prosecution was not bothered to comply with the provisions of Section 42. Section 42 has not been complied in this case, and which is not only mandatory, but also which is not only mandatory in nature, but mandates complete compliance of the same. Non-compliance or partial compliance has been deprecated by the Honorable Apex Court and various other courts. I have given judgment, my lord. I have given judgment. This is my first point, my lord. My second point is...
Okay, now the question is that undoubtedly it's a commercial quantity.
Commercial quantity.
So we have to go by the report of the... Because unless and until it's otherwise on the report of yes, any other submission problem.
So the case diary may be called for and we will submit report. Lord.
Report of it. But so otherwise it's a commercial quantity, and most probably she got arrested on 3rd of February.
3rd of February, ma'am.
So,
incarceration days 144 days.
Obviously, but within 6 months it has to be filed.
Okay.
So let us call for it. And
Judgment to the...
That's okay. After vacation, we did.
Yes, any date after vacation.
Any date. We are listing it on 25/7.
Obliged.
Those points can be raised by you on due to non-compliance and all 40.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a regular bail application and he was arrested on 5/6/24. My lord, FIR at page 70. My lord, from the allegation of the FIR, it is seen that the victim is a major one. She is consenting party, and since 2021, she willingly made relation with the petitioner, your lordship. So, my lord, as per allegation, my lord, no case is made out against the petitioner. Anyway, my lord.
Is in custody since when?
Lordship?
Your petitioner is in custody since when?
Since 5/6.
5/6/24.
376 2N is non-bailable. Others are bailable.
7A ITX also
Yes.
incorporated. Why?
Lordship,
Because
only
it is a consenting. Why those sections are
21, my lord, since 2021, my lord, she
Because
is consenting and they were working under the
Because
same.
there are some photographs were taken by him and
only-
thereafter you want to make it viral. That is
Those sections are bailable, one. 67. And those sections are bailable on your lordship. 66, 67. Bailable on your
7
lordship.
is also added.
Lordship.
I mean incorporated in this section.
Unit police
So
report.
otherwise, purely a consensual petition. Then those kind of
Only, my lord, see, my lord, she left this petitioner after long making relation, my lord. She con with another person. Then
why did all those photos? That is the
that only
Suppose they have-
allegation, your lordship.
They have been getting I mean,
The petitioner only
then
asks the victim that if you
anyway they're calling for the case diary.
shortage may be given, your lord.
What kind of shortage? Yeah, after
16, my lord. If possible.
Sorry for interruption, my lord. Item number 4, if it is listed in the vacation code, it will be.
No, we cannot fix it on record. We may make a mention.
application koribo jodi lage.
Make a mention.
Application.
You make a mention for the registry to I mean district defect.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. 439 bail application, my Lordship. My Lordship will find FIR case number 13. Here is my Lordship. With due respect and honor, as a subject cited above, I have the honor to state you that on 11/06/2024 at around 1:05 a.m. to 1:10 a.m. at Along Nakso village, late Hukurit Tisopi, daughter of Singh Tiso, was killed by two miscreants with the help of gun at her own residence, and she died at the spot. And after that, the two miscreants fled away from the place of from the place.
Sensational method. Yes.
Yes, my Lordship.
Your petitioner got arrested.
Yes, arrested, my Lordship.
When?
Arrested on 19, my Lordship.
1906.
1906. My Lordship, here the case is that petitioner has some love affair with the girl. Love affair with the girl.
And love affair with whom?
With the deceased girl.
The accused petitioner had love affairs with the deceased.
The deceased girl. That, and none of the arrested person has implicated me. None of the arrested person has said my name. My Lordship,
How many
kindly
persons are already arrested?
already arrested.
How many persons?
Total 4 persons, including me, my Lordship.
Including you.
Yes, sir. My
There
Lordship,
may be a suspicion on the both.
Lordship, kindly page 15, my Lordship. Region of arrest. During the my Lordship, point number 4. Page number 15, point number 4.
Yes, please.
During the investigation and technical analysis, it was found that the arrested accused, namely, that is me, my Lordship, Harsing Terang, was in a constant contact with the victim, Hukuri Tisopi. He has made highest number of phone calls to the victim. And my Lordship, point number 6. The son of the arrested person, namely Mukrang Terang, his son was also arrested, including this petitioner. His son was also has disclosed that he knew about honey trapping of his father by the victim, and the victim was trying to extract money and property from the father, that is Harsing Terang. And my Lordship, point number 7. One of the main accused of the case, Mukrang Terang, is the son of the arrested person, namely Harsing Terang. That is me, my Lordship, my petitioner. And he admitted that his son knew about the extramarital relationship between him and the victim. That's why his son, along with his friend, conspired to eliminate the victim. This arrested person may have contributed to the plan. And my Lordship, next point, that is number 9. I have been only arrested because that there may be some transaction, money transaction may be there, or maybe there. That as per the confession of Probin, one of the arrested person, my Lordship, Mukrang made a deal of 10 lakh with Rangsina. He is also arrested, my Lordship, to eliminate the victim. As he does not have the capacity to arrange such a huge amount of money, his father Harsing may involve along with them to arrange the money. How can I arrange money, my Lordship? I have a love affair with that girl, the deceased girl. Only because of that, I have been arrested, my Lordship. Arrest of Harsing Terang is therefore required to trace any financial transaction used in the crime. Only that. Nothing, my Lordship. Even I am in pain and sorrow that a girl has been murdered.
It will be required, my Lord, because after
my
the
Lord.
investigation, everything will come to light, my Lord.
Yes, my Lordship. Immediately after my Lordship vacation.
You're 15 or 16/7? 18/7.
20?
1/8.
1/8. Okay, my Lord. Much obliged, my Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, booked under NDPS of 20B capital. My Lord will get a FIR at page 15, my Lord. It's an intermediary quantity, my Lord, recovered from railway
Rail. May I read, my lord? With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that today, that is on 7/6/2024 at around 5 p.m. so and so, 5 a.m. As director, I along with GRP personnel so and so left for checking duty at Guwahati railway station by above noted JD reference so and so. After arrival of train number so and so at Sundari Express so and so Guwahati railway station at around 8:50 a.m. we conducted checking of luggage bags of passengers in coach station number so and so. In due course, when we were about to check a black color backpack which was with a passenger sitting on seat number 38, the person became nervous. On inquiry, he disclosed that he was travelling from Agartala, Tripura to Bakhtiarpur, Bihar, together with his two companions sitting on seat number so and so of the same coach and identified themselves as so and so. On checking the aforesaid bag, we found 15 packets of wrapped with brown color cello tape containing suspected cannabis/ganja from the possession of Amrendra Kumar, and the above said two persons revealed that they brought the recovered 15 packets of suspected ganja so and so. Basically, the allegation is recovering of this ganja from a backpack which is not belongs to even the accused, my lord, and he is a student, my lord, pursuing class 12 from the college of Bihar, my lord. He just came Assam for a tourist purpose, and it's 20 days he has been languishing in jail.
Both, my lord, tourist and other things also, my
lord. Whether no one can travel or not, as per learned PP has said.
Yes, purely travel, my lord, but without ganja.
Without?
Ganja.
Oh, he is not carrying ganja.
The position is clear, what you are saying.
Anyway, CD may be required, I think.
Yes, GRPS on 22nd March.
Well, can it be earlier? If possible.
Because, my lord, tomorrow, after that, my lord, if the message doesn't go, my lord, the immediately coming week, my lord, it may not come. That is why.
Much obliged, my lord.
It is a 20B NDPS Act, raid with Ganja and Bhang Act of Assam. So, CD may be called for, my lord.
When he is in custody, 19. So,
7 kg, my lord.
In that case also, we are giving on 22nd. Okay. 22nd of July.
22nd July.
During vacation, my lord.
Vacation I cannot fix. You have to make.
We'll mention.
Otherwise, take it on 22nd. You make a fetch over.
My lord, this is under Child Marriage Act and Postcard Marriage. Both young boys and girls, they fled away. They got married. Now, after long gap, they got married in 21. Now, in 23, the police has registered a case that we got information that they got married with a minor child. But the young child, both are left away from house. And they got married themselves. And they're living separately. Till now, they're a husband and wife.
Yes.
Well, there are judgments of the different high courts regarding romantic love affairs of the young boys and girls. Then they have justified this act. So we cannot disturb this young couple.
Also, is there some notice?
26 days, my lord.
Notice has to go. Pokso is there.
Yes.
Otherwise, you see, obviously, in our perspective, they got married also.
Yes, yes. We got married.
But if the person is supposed, the girl is minor, then obviously.
But the boy was also minor when they fled away. What to do? It doesn't know the guardian has no knowledge. It happens regularly. Many cases, madam. okay?
19 লো
26 দিন হয়ে গেল অলরেডি
19 খোলা সপ্তাহে
But I pray for little early days, my lord. The girl is alone at now home.
19
because where not big also.
मैसेज तो देखा होगा खुली नहीं मैसेज कर
एक टेस्ट for no
अब ले जाए स्टेप
May it please. By this application, I am challenging an order dated 23 to 2024, whereby the charge has been framed against me. The petitioner before your lordship is a practicing lawyer of Dibrugarh Bar Association, sir. And the fact in nutshell is this: there is a sale lead which has been executed and has been undervalued, my lord. Undervalued, and that permission has been obtained fraudulently, forced permission, my lord. That was the allegations, my lord. In this regards, my lord, I approached this honorable court and I have been allowed to go on and pre-arrest bail, my lord. On completion of investigation, they have filed, my lord, showing my name as an accused under section 465, 467, 468, 471, 472, 34 IPC, my lord. The evidence, but the statement which has been given to us under 161, my lord, I can show you the statements whereby your lordship will find that my name has not been there. It is my junior who left my chamber about 3-4 years back, my lord. It has been stated like that, my lord. If your lordship kindly see next page, the statement of witness statements, my lord. My lord, number 2, Manik Das, what he said in 161. So, more ঠিকনা সঞ্চয় উপপৰ্যায়ৰ কাৰ্যালয় কম্পিউটাৰ অপাৰেটৰ আজি তাৰিখে সন্ধিয়া 7মান পুলিচ আহি আমাৰ কাৰ্যালয়ত মোহন গগৈ প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কিছুমান মোৰ সাক্ষাতে পুলিচৰ জব্দ মই জব্দনামাত সিজ অফ উইটনেছেছ পঞ্জীয়ক হিচাপে প্ৰণৱ কুমাৰ বৰা ইজ দ্য ৰেজিষ্টাৰ চাব ৰেজিষ্টাৰ কোনে কেনেদৰে ভুৱা পাৰ্মিশ্যন লৈছে মই নাজানো এই পাৰ্মিশ্যন উলিওৱাৰ সময়ত উকিল ৰাজু কেলছৰ স্বাগত কুণ্ডুৱে প্ৰায় আমাৰ অফিচলৈ আহে what it says they used to come to my office. The petitioner and the Kundu, the lady that you said, used to come to our office quite frequently at that point of time. Now, your lordship will kindly see next is Muralilal Kejriwal. He is a witness to this. What he said. মোৰ নাম আৰু ঠিকনাৰ ওপৰত মতে পেছাত মই এজন অধিবক্তা ৭৮ চনৰ পৰা মই 40 বছৰ কাল অধিবক্তা হিচাপে মোৰ সেৱা আগবঢ়াইছোঁ বৰ্তমান মই ডিব্ৰুগড় আদালত সেৱা হোৱা ৰাজকুমাৰ কেজৰিৱাল ওৰফে ৰাজুক মই চিনি পাওঁ তেওঁ আমাৰ ডিব্ৰুগড় বৰা এজন অধিবক্তা হয় অধিবক্তা শ্ৰীমতী স্বাগতা কুণ্ডকো মই চিনি পাওঁ স্বাগতা কুণ্ডু ৱাজ জুনিয়ৰ টু মি এণ্ড তেওঁ অধিবক্তা ৰাজকুমাৰ কেজৰিৱালৰ জুনিয়ৰ হিচাপে কাম কৰিছিল প্ৰায় ৩-৮ বছৰ মানৰ আগৰ কথাত মই জনা ৰাজকুমাৰ কেজৰিৱালৰ মক্কেলৰ মাটি বাৰী সম্পৰ্কীয় এই এটা প্ৰস্তাৱত ৰাজকুমাৰ কেজৰিৱালৰ জুনিয়ৰ উকিল শ্ৰীমতী স্বাগতা কুণ্ডুৱে মিউনিচিপালিটিৰ পৰা ওলাই অনা পাৰ্মিশ্যন প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ সন্দেহক্ৰমে শ্ৰী ৰাজকুমাৰ কেজৰিৱালে পুনৰ অন্য জুনিয়ৰ দ্বাৰা পৰীক্ষা কৰাই ভুৱা বুলি ধৰা পেলায় I as the person, my lord, who detected that these are forged and this thing, my lord, on my inquiry, my lord, তেতিয়াৰ পৰা শ্ৰীমতী কুণ্ডুৱে নিজৰ কাম নিজে স্বতন্ত্ৰভাৱে কৰে বুলি জানো আদালতৰ কাম কাজত লগা যিকোনো কাগজ পত্ৰ প্ৰমাণ স্বাগত কুণ্ডুৱে অতি সহজতে উলিয়াই আনে দেখিছো বিষয়টো আমাৰ অধিবক্তা সকলেও নজনা নহয় শ্ৰীমতী স্বাগতা কুণ্ডুৱে প্ৰয়োজনীয় চিল মোহৰ প্ৰকমা আদি ক'ৰ পৰা কেনেকৈ পায় বা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰে মোৰ সন্দেহ হয় পুলিচে অধিবক্তা স্বাগত কুণ্ডুক গ্ৰেপ্তাৰ কৰি জেল হাজতলৈ কৰিছে বুলি জানিব পাৰি মই আজি থানাত আহি মোৰ জবানবন্দী দিওঁ and which are other my lord next my lord the other witnesses, they also stated the same. Well, on the basis of this statement, my lord, can the criminal proceeding go, my lord? That is my only submission before this, my lord. Because it will not be because of, these are the statements which the prosecution is going to be relying. Now, directly the state witnesses say that it was so and so done by so and so, my lord. And not me, my lord. I don't know, my lord, if your lordship kindly see the order by which the charge has been framed, my lord. Kindly see, nothing has been recorded against me, my lord. It was said, it is only said that Anil Kejriwal was the main culprit, my lord. Page 32, my lord, your lordship will find. Lordship got it? 32?
Yes.
Page 32, my lord. Hart so and so, accused and so and so. Learned counsel for the accused, Anil Kejriwal, submitted that accused is nowhere involved in the alleged offence and his name was merely in a seizure list as a witness of the Jubita Chittiar name. Jubita Chittiar named Anil Kejriwal in her statement. Learned counsel for the accused, Anil Kejriwal, asserted that the accused need to be discharged because no sufficient materials is found, and also argued that merely being a witness as the sale deed cannot be amount to be an offence. Learned counsel for the so-and-so relied the following judgment, so-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so. Learned counsel for the accused, Rajkumar Agarwal, that is the petitioner before your lordship, my lord, also argued that witness Juba Chittiar named him as because the vendor knew the Rajkumar Kejriwal, so-and-so, my lord, your lordship kindly see. I will show the Juba Chittiar here. Juba Chittiar. Witness Juba Chittiar named as because the vendor knew that Rajkumar Kejriwal, learned counsel for the accused, Megan Jalan, stated that he is simply the owner of the land and he is not anywhere involved in the offence under valuation of the proposed land to be sold. Learned counsel for the Pranab Kumar Bora stated that he simply endorsed the documents which cannot be amount to be an offence. Again, learned counsel for the accused Swagata Kundu also stated that the accused Swagata merely drafted the documents and she has stated valuation as per the materials furnished to her. On the other hand, the additional PP stated that at the early stage, the accused need not to be discharged because of the same can be ascertained only after the trial at length. Truly, the peruse the case record and also the documents available on the record hearing the learned defence counsel as well as the additional public prosecutor, the court is of the view that an early stage of trial when the alleged document is to be undervalued, my lord, what is the document was undervalued, my lord? So putting one signature as a witness prima facie compels the court to form an opinion that the accused, my lord, your lordship kindly see what its name? Anil Kejriwal, my lord, not me, my lord. What it says, that at the early stage of the trial, when the alleged document is said to be undervalued, so putting one signature as a witness prima facie compels the court to form an opinion that accused Anil Kejriwal was involved in the alleged offence, and only after the trial length the same can be ascertained. So without appreciating the evidence, after the trial court is not inclined to discharge the accused Anil Kejriwal at this stage, my lord. So for the Anil Kejriwal is concerned, there are prima facie materials established against him. Now, the next part, my lord, this court is further of the view that the fact and circumstances of the instance cases keep different from the case law cited by the counsel of the accused Anil Kejriwal and finding suppressed material prima facie stage at the accused court is not inclined to discharge the accused Anil Kejriwal without appreciating of the evidence there. Again, so far the other accused are concerned prima facie sufficient materials is found against the so-and-so to proceed with the case against them. Discharging any accused at this initial trial would restrain court from coming to the conclusive opinion. Hence, let the charge be framed against the named accused. Well, this is the observation of the court. My respectful submission, my lord, there is nothing, if you logically see, is Jubita Chittiar's statement I have given, my lord. Nothing against me, my lord. It is Anil Kejriwal's, my lord, and Kundu's, my lord. So far I am concerned, my lord, I being merely that Kundu, she was my junior, that cannot be, I cannot be roped under 34, adding 34, my lord. So my respectful, your lordship may call for the records, scan copy, my lord, lordship kindly see that at this stage, so far I am concerned, my lord, that may be state, my lord.
Scan copy may be called for my lord. After going to the scan copy, Lordship may kindly fix it on admission, my lord. After going there, Lordship may decide on the stay part, my lord. Because the scam, my lord, charge sheet and also my charge has already been paid, my lord. So what is the role, my lord? We know
There is only
from the, my lord.
161 statement you have to look into, my lord. 161 statement. Nothing more than that, my lord.
Other investigations are also there, my lord, to be seen on. The primary facie on the materials, my lord, whether the trial could be proceeded. That is the law. So if Lordship satisfaction that trial could not be proceeded, Lordship can say, my lord. But just today, my lord, Lordship may only call for the scan copy. Therefore, after perusal, my lord, Lordship can, if required.
When?
If required.
160.
Your naked.
My lord, I don't know.
Because, my lord, he is on bail, my lord. He will not be anywhere prejudiced.
No, bail is a different thing, my lord. Question of prejudice regarding granting of bail doesn't matter, my lord. It is regarding, my lord, the abuse process of law when illegally this. So the 161 statement which clearly reveals that I am not enrolled, my lord. She happens to be a junior to me, my lord, the Kundu. So I have been roped under 34, my lord. Can it be, my lord? A junior come to my chamber, supposing come to my, can it be roped under 34, my lord? I respectfully no, my lord. That's my only thing. Well, let the trial goes, my lord. So far I am concerned, my lord, your lordship may see that whether there are prima facie or not, my lord. Your lordship has to see, satisfy that.
A question is a bit difficult for you also. As because suppose trial is proceeded.
My lord.
Against 50 at the state. In that case, what will happen? Cross-examination witnesses if something is against the state.
Definitely, my lord. Definitely.
That's why I'm saying that may not be it was fixed on 28/5. I don't know what on that date whether any evidence was taken up or used by someone. I don't know. But they cannot tell us the next date. Before prior to the next date, we may try to call for the case record and we may the admission column. So this may post upon admission column. But at this stage, maybe difficult on your part also. However, can you tell us the next date? Because as per the child order of charge, next date was fixed on 20.
Yes, that is over, my lord.
May.
That is over, my lord.
Now next date.
Next date, my lord, I have to take an instruction when the next
Prior to
date.
that, we may fix it. That's
My
what
lord.
I'm asking.
My lord.
Can you just inform us?
She will inform after about 5-10 minutes. Will it, or
after 5 minutes, we just inform us so that we may fix it either before that.
my lord.
If it is suppose during vacation, it will be fixed, then it will be difficult on our part. Otherwise, because it seems that the order of child was framed on
February, my lord.
February.
Yes, my lord.
So after February, they are giving another date on.
Definitely, my
May.
lord. That on the February, that has been fixed on February. Fixing on that order which has been passed on framing charge was in the February. Giving a date is 28th of May. 28th of May, my lord.
2-3 months after 2-3 months.
Two,
So probability is there that after 28/5 next date, maybe in August or September. That's why I'm concerned.
Lordship, then your lordship may fix a matter immediately after opening this.
No, immediately we are trying to okay. We call for the but not in 50. 50 it may not be.
Yes, my lord.
Be holiday. So we are fixing it on
22nd.
22nd.
Man.
And you just try to give the next date so that if we, even if suppose 22nd, 23rd, the next date, we may fix either fitness.
My lord, my lord.
Otherwise, we are fixing it on 22nd. Registered P. Bora, the next registered by
A. Sharma.
A. Sharma. And the station. And 48 minutes. And this is completed. one of the what was her name? Swagata Kundu.
Swagata Kundu.
Swagata Kundu.
Swagata Kundu.
Was for the was Britain, was but there have her number of that and they participate that if I need to come by
On that date, if the record comes, my stay prayer will be considered, Milord.
Or it may be in admission column.
Well,
Can it be? It cannot be.
Admission column.
Admission. It's the matter of admission column and therefore state also.
Milord.
If it can be disposed of, then it can.
Milord. Much obliged.
If my senior is at flag zone court number 1, can it be 230 Lord? Say Coyle will be moving it. Yes, Lord. It will be at 230 Lord. It won't take much time. It's a very small issue.
The problem is other way because most probably from 2 to 3 for 1 hour they may not reach this.
Actually, I would have moved it, but my senior is having some judgment with him, which he want to place with your Lordship.
Okay, for time being we are keeping.
Let it be at 230 because he has got some matters outside also, Lordship. He was saying that most probably he will be going to civil court and some problem he is having. So he is asking at 230 Lordship.
If I fix it on 2, it may be difficult because I don't know because other.
Let it be 215 then.
Today court is also court is also rise early today.
Yes, court is also.
Let it be 215 Lordship.
Not 215 is a different thing. Or if you say that he is otherwise fit, then obviously it will be after vacation.
No, then let me move it, Lord.
You want to move
Let me take the chance
now
of moving.
about the judgments you want to say.
Judgments will keep it reserved, Lordship. If possible, we'll give it at that time. Now, what has happened here, Lordship will kindly see. I won't take much time. Here, there was a allegation against me somewhere in the year 2015. Lordship, here the dates are very important. 2015, there was an allegation against me that while I was in the police, I was in the habit of asking money from other persons, stating inter alia that in their name cases are pending. That is in the year 2015. That which I will show your Lordship. 41 to 64. I will make it very short, Lordship. I will make it very short. No, just a moment. The Lordship will kindly see. Page number 47, Lordship. Type copy, your Lordship will find in page number 46. Now there is 2 persons, Partha Gogoi and Deepak Das. Now these 2 persons, Lordship, these 2 persons are pseudomonas persons we are saying. Because I have always asked the investigating agency to produce these 2 persons before me. They have failed. These 2 persons, they lodged a complaint against me on 8/3/2015. Lordship, kindly see the time. So 8/3/2015, Lordship, against me, a PE starts. Preliminary inquiry starts. Now, preliminary inquiry, Lordship, I have given documents also before Lordship that this preliminary inquiry is to be completed within a period of 3 months. But they have taken 5 years to complete this preliminary inquiry. After this preliminary inquiry, Lordship, they give me a letter asking me to give the details of my assets and liabilities. That is in annexure number 8, page number 86. Annexure number 8, page number 86. So Lordship has kindly find it, Lordship. So I have given my assets and liabilities in CBI pro forma from page number 88 till page number 300. CBI pro forma, your lordship will find from page number 87 to 418. So my CBI pro forma, lordship, includes my assets and liabilities. My entire assets and liabilities during my service period. Now what they did, lordship, after getting this CBI pro forma, they were silent. There was no inquiry, nothing, I was never called for. All of a sudden, after a period of 4 years, what they did, they registered a case against me, a regular inquiry against me, which is the FIR. Your lordship will find that FIR is in page number 41. Lordship will kindly see for a moment of time. Very important, this FIR is very important. Registered under 13(1)(b), that is disproportionate asset, lordship. Time period is 1/4/2012 to 31/8/2020. Your lordship has kindly got it, lordship. Now, in that FIR, admittedly, your lordship will kindly find in page number 45. Page number 45, lordship. 21/9/2021, I have been dismissed from service. 45. 21/9/2021, I have been dismissed from service. So today I am not a public servant, lordship. You kindly see this part. See this part. Today I am not a public servant. Now on basis of this report, what they have done, lordship, they have prepared a financial analysis by their own empaneled financial analyst. That is a part of the FIR, lordship will find it. Mr. M. Borar and Company. It starts from, lordship will kindly see, it starts from page number 53, lordship. Now, this report, very interestingly, lordship, I am putting a stress on this because I know the limitation of 482 so far investigation is concerned. Prima facie, I want to show your lordship that the investigation that is being carried out is absolutely an abuse in the process of law. Now, how I satisfy your lordship? Lordship, I am coming that on 2021, I have given my pro forma, my assets, my liabilities, my details, everything. Basing on this report has been prepared. Page number 53. Now, lordship will kindly see this report, how doubtful this report is. They are coming to a place, your lordship will see. Unexplained expenditure, bank. There is one yes, page number 60, lordship. Number 10, lordship will find. If that is left, nothing is against me. Unexplained expenditure from bank. Now, what is this unexplained expenditure from bank? That is to the tune of 2,62,12,287. Lordship has kindly find it. Now, this description, unexplained expenditure from bank, is nowhere defined. It is nowhere defined, lordship. What is this unexplained expenditure from bank? Now, lordship, to understand what has actually happened with me, I also have a right to know what has actually happened with me, lordship. I take a assistance of a qualified chartered accountant on the same records, on basis of the same records which I have given to the investigating agency in 2020. That will lordship will find in page of 420 to 429. Here your lordship will find this is the report of a qualified chartered accountant. He, from 420, lordship, he comes to a conclusion, lordship will find there is no disproportionate asset. it is 0. On the same records, Lordship, on basis of the same records, there is not two findings. One finding given by the investigating agency, where investigating agency are not in a position to explain the things, and one finding is by a qualified chartered accountant. That your Lordship will kindly see. After that, Lordship will kindly see what has happened, how they are investigating. They investigate, I have got nothing to say. But in the veil of investigation, they are harassing me and my family members. That I am showing your Lordship. Lordship will kindly come to annexure number 12, page number 430 onwards. Annexure number 12, page 430. Notices under 91 CRPC being issued, and in veil of 91 CRPC statements are being recorded, which is absolutely barred under 160. Somebody is going with some record and they are made to sit for hours together and the statements are being recorded. Not only that, statement notices are being issued to women. My mother-in-law, my sister-in-law who are residing outside under 160, and 160 says, Lordship, provisor said that you cannot call a woman in a police station. So this is how they are harassing in the name of an investigation, Lordship. I am not saying that I will not cooperate the investigation. My only prayer before Lordship, only limited prayer before Lordship, is in the veil of investigation I should not be harassed. They should not harass me. I am not saying you stay the investigation, don't do the investigation. But in the name of investigation, you are harassing me, you are harassing my family members. This should not be done. This is abuse in the process of law. So we are here before Lordship with a very limited prayer for making an observation that the investigation should be done as per the mandate of law, not beyond that. Should not be harassed in this manner, Lord. We are saying stay, but definitely we know the limitation. Your Honor, your Lordship will not like to stay the investigation in the midst of it. Your Lordship will want to see what is the outcome of the investigation. We also want to see what is the outcome of the investigation. But in the name of investigation, I should not be harassed in this manner. I am made to sit for hours together. Without recording my statement, I am sitting in the reception counter. Also have some work. And Lordship, over and all, they are recording statements beyond 2021. And the point of law that arises, Lordship, today I am not a public servant. Supposingly they filed a charge sheet against me. Can a special court take a cognizance against me, Lordship, at this stage, where I am not a public servant? Under 13B. Can a cognizance be taken in a... Cognizance has to be taken on a current date. It cannot be taken on a presupposed date. 2021, I have already retired. I have already been dismissed from service. So, technically also, legally also, they should have done this investigation in 2020 itself, when they were having differences with me. And I have given some document, Lordship may kindly see, that some CBC guidelines, which says that it is in page number 39, and that anonymous and pseudonymous complaints cannot be entertained, Lordship. They should be straightway discarded. 36 and 39. I am relying upon those documents now. Annexure 1.
In meantime, notice make there is a response number 2 was made party by name. So notice make then the scan copy of the record may be called for at least.
They may be just making
and my lord, moreover, my lord, what he said, my lord, the direction may be given to the IO to
not to harass him, Lord.
My lord, the Lordship, from my limited knowledge, your Lordship may aware the court cannot direct the investigating officer to do how to do the investigation.
No, it is not how to do the investigation. In the veil of how to do the investigation, on record I am showing that they are harassing.
The investigation do, my lord, in that particular manner, court cannot direct.
No.
There is like a plethora of judgment of Supreme Court is there.
But Lordship can
But
always,
his allegation, my lord, take care of, my lord.
Lordship
He
may
should not
always
be,
make
my
an
lord, be
observation.
harassed.
Yes.
They should not be harassed, my lord, take care of it.
Unnecessarily they should not be harassed.
My lord, we'll take care of it.
That
I will
observation
inform
may
the
be
IO, my
made.
lord, if they should not be harassed, my lord, the family member.
That observation may kindly be made, Lordship. Asking for a very small observation which this court will certainly do. 91 CRPC they are issuing
No, it's true,
notice.
my lord, in the name of investigation, not only his family, my lord, nobody has to be harassed by the IO, my lord.
91 their notice they are issuing and they are recording statement. What admissibility those statements will have in the court, Lordship? Nothing. Only 91. And their statements are being recorded. That is a specific instruction. Hours together they are made to sit and their statements are being recorded. How it is possible? In the meantime, if the judgment is given by my senior, I may be kindly allowed to place those before your Lordship.
Okay, then I pass that order in deadline or you just submit it. Okay.
Lordship.
Okay, that's
Much obliged. আমাকো এটা দিবা আমাকো দিবি my lord, direct me to, my lord, direct the petitioner to give the judgment to us also, my lord. We have to know what judgment they have to get, my lord. Because High Court rule says, my lord, the judgment copies should be furnished to other parties.
Yes, I will be, certainly.
We also know, my lord, what they have to face.
No, I will, certainly I will be. Certainly.
Much obliged. Much of my lord, returnable, my lord.
Returnable, yes. After, yes.
My lord, much obliged.
Apart from that, we need now any documents are almost out there, audit, etc. are there, and the other documents are also there.
My lord,
But however, his diary will be required.
My lord, the
or what?
my lord, what did they have annexed, my lord, we don't know. But the records what speak, my lord, to scan copy of the LCM will be called for, my lord, because in this case, my lord, the
Is it a charge?
not charge sheeted, probably
No, no.
not charge sheeted, my lord, the case there
It
is
can be case.
not the case there is much of it.
This petition has been filed against an order of warrant, my lord.
Warrant was issued.
My lord. In a GR case, warrant of order has been issued against the petitioner. The trial is going on
Where is the order? You have
at page 23, your lordship.
24? 23.
22. And the petitioner had been facing the trial. At the evidence stage, my lord, on some occasion he failed to continue his appearance.
Any other order?
My lord, previous order, that is 21, page 21, accused is absent with steps. While petition number so-and-so, prayer is allowed. No PWs present, issue fresh summon to PWs. Next, on 37-22 for evidence. On 37-22, petitioner failed to enter his appearance, and accordingly, this warrant of his arrest is issued, your lordship. However, my lord, the petitioner now willing to appear and to face the trial. Your lordship may kindly direct the trial court to allow the petitioner to remain on previous bail, my lord.
So
It's
you
my
are remaining
limited
absent
theory.
since 2022 for 2 years, and now how can we directly the trial court below pass an order allowing you to remain yes,
My lord, so far section is concerned, 498A is charged against him, your lordship. The case is pending since the year 2017, my lord. Witnesses are also not appearing. So the petitioner is also
for
suffering.
you only 2 years or also 2 years is also gone. For your absence,
My lord.
matter against 2 years. But the case that is supposed evidence was supposed to be a summer. Are there who are the person for whom
The question is that, my lord, even if the accused is, my lord, unable to appear before the court, my lord, but his advocate should represent, my lord. That is why, my lord, the advocate also not taken in this.
Why you are that?
My lord, the petitioner before lordship is a day laborer, and he is being a day laborer. He has
You
to,
know that case is pending
my
here.
lord, he has to engage in different times in different places for doing labor works. So
What
he
will wait for him?
he failed to contact with his
He will
engaged
do
counsel.
work in different places, in different places of Assam
My
and
lord.
put
My lord, on the previous order, your lordship, that is at page 21, one absent petition was filed. But in the next date,
that was that.
my lord,
Not
that is,
that was rejected.
however, my lord, the petitioner apologized
Yes,
for all his deeds, your lordship. He will appear in each and every date, your lordship.
That warrant of arrest may be recalled, my lord, but, my lord, regarding, my lord, previous bill that I have also issued, my lord. Trial court will consider, my lord.
My lord.
But on but on From order important answer as what when we and this time we are recalling the NPW or paid by the NPW to appear before the management the application for
Master bless you.
Lordship, it is already on bail, Lordship, and after filing of charge sheet, he appeared before the learned special judge, and he was allowed to remain on previous board by annexure B, Lordship. And what happened, Lordship? Thereafter, so he went for the treatment for rehabilitation before alcoholic condition by annexure D at page 12, Lordship. From 1 to 24 to 25-3, he was in rehabilitation center for his treatment, and for which he could not contact his advocate. And by the imping order at annexure E, page 13, 9-2, NBW was issued against the accused. Annexure E, page 30. This is the imping order. And why, what reason led to issuance of this NBW order? Annexure D, page 12. So he was at rehabilitation center from 1st of February to 25th March. So he could not contact his advocate. So advocate didn't take steps before the learned court, and so NBW was issued against the accused petitioner. Para 5 of my petition, Lordship, I have briefly stated, page 4, para 5. That the petitioner begged to state that due to alcoholic and depression-related problem, he was undergoing treatment in a rehabilitation center at Guwahati from 1 to 24 to 25 to 24 under the said circumstances, as the petitioner could not make contact of his advocate on the date fixed, as such the engaged advocate also did not take steps in the case. Therefore, the learned special judge by this order dated 9 to 24 issued NBW against the petitioner. And before this honorable have to vote for that order.
My lord, there is a, my lord, just to point out your lordship, my lord. Lordship may come to page number 18, this is the affidavit, my lord.
Page number?
8, my lord. Lordship may see his name, my signature, my lord, Imran Hussain. And Lordship may come to, my lord, page number 12, my lord, Annex 30. Page number 12, Annex 30, my lord, your signatures are totally different, my lord. I will not object to my lord, recalling his NPWA, my lord. But my lord, this is doubtful, my lord.
Lordship.
What do you want to say now?
Lordship.
You signify prayer as also it can
Yes,
be.
yes, I have seen Lordship.
How it can happen?
But Lordship, what I mean here is an alcoholic person. Maybe in that time, maybe his that may be reason. Otherwise, Lordship, are already he is on
Otherwise, is there any other document?
already Lordship he is in previous bail, and during the investigation period, he fully cooperated the investigation agency.
Is there
Lordship.
any other
Yes,
document that shows his signature?
Signature, other documents not yet available with
Because
me.
in
Lordship.
deponent, as a deponent in page number 8, it's a very good handwriting, very nice signature.
Document is not available here for other signature, Lordship. And he will appear on regular
It will
basis.
appear, but this kind of thing, what's your answer? What I have asking. Why did this differences in signature?
Lordship, yes, I can understand, Lordship. But now I cannot say about this
Either
things, Lordship.
the signature in the Liberty Foundation, the report may be genuine, or it may be.
Maybe signature may be different, Lordship, due to the
Because
situation.
we don't
Lordship.
have anything.
So let him file an affidavit, my lord, otherwise.
Pardon?
Let him file an affidavit in my lord. Otherwise, my lord, keeping this matter pending, my lord, it will no way, my lord, help. My lord.
What kind of certificate file?
These two signatures, my lord, these signatures. Because it's totally, well, my lord, it is surname, my lord. Surname written as HUSUN, my lord. Not even complete, my lord. There may be some differences, not my lord, but Hussain is written as, my lord, in complete manner, my lord.
Just get fix it on after vacation.
After reopening, my lord.
When signature on signature of the and the signature done by the same person, number 12, needs cannot be, and we can keep there that not that the signature may not be proper as it was under as it was under treatment for under the treatment center for why he is a drug addict. He was a drug addict.
Alcoholic.
Because of rehab for and for and differences may be there. As at the time he may come. syndrome of alcohol. Mr. Purvas, according to the by like that, according to it will be listed on the new vacant additional affidavit that each signature has. Otherwise, I have recorded your commitment that alcohol withdrawal symptoms were there, so there may be.
Lordship, I will file.
Your Lordship, as per item number 9, we have received instruction and the next date in the trial code is on 20 July.
Item number 9.
So otherwise we fixed it on
22nd July, Your Lordship.
It's on 22/7, my lord.
It's on 27. Now she is saying that it is on 2020. We have to prefer on 18.
Your Lordship, Senior Counsel Mr. P. Bora will not be available. If possible, 17.
18 he will not be.
17 July.
17 July.
That's your pleasure.
May I please, my lord? Yes. My lord, this criminal petition is filed for passing of the FIR, my lord. My lord, the FIR is at page 10, my lord. What happened, my lord, on the basis of an audio conversation, my lord, circulated in a social media, my lord, this FIR is lost, my lord. My lord, my lord, one audio conversation was circulated in a social media, my lord. And my lord, on the basis of that, my lord, this FIR was lost, my lord. So the investigation is going on, my lord. I am not praying for a stay of the investigation, my lord. At least the lordship may issue notice and call for the scan copy of the, my lord, case diary. And my lord, only observation that no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner. Let the investigation go on, my lord.
No, that will, my lord, amounting to, my lord.
At least he shall not be harassed, my lord.
Let the scan copy come and notice be issued, my lord.
Otherwise, we have not applied for a debate.
No, my lord.
Why?
Since there is allegations as such, my lord, that I have not applied, my lord.
Allegations as such?
There is
67
a... Yes, my lord. IT Act and, my lord, all this acts are there, my lord. But on the basis of all this, my lord, on the basis of audio conversation.
No, it may be due to the audio conference, the traffic case may be out. You can very well defer suppose not involved because not only system but 120, 500
are there.
So that is an impact.
That much only and let the investigation go on, my lord. I am not praying for any stay, my lord. Only AP Gupta.
Not charted one.
No, not traffic.
Is all for case diary?
Scan copy of the case diary.
The case diary we call for.
Yes, case diary we call for, my lord.
Otherwise, scan copy.
We will examine the case diary.
Okay. No problem. Then it can be taken.
My lord, 24th, my lord, 24th.
At least some observation, my lord. Okay.
Wait, please, my lord. Yes. My lord, this is a 482 petition, my lord, read with 397401. My lord, what had transpired in this case is the petitioner along with two other accused persons had been arrested on charges of Section 20B2B/29 of NDPS Act, my lord. Subsequent to his arrest, my lord, he had preferred bail application under 437 before the district court, and the same was allowed, my lord. The relevant portion of the order is at page number 35, my lord. May I read, my lord? Page number 35. Considering the period of detention, accused Papure is allowed to go on bail on furnishing bail bond of rupees 30,000 with two local sureties of like amount, and one of the surety must be a government servant of the state of Bihar. Insofar as this stipulation is concerned, the accused person does not have any person in his family or in his near relative so that he can furnish a government servant from the state of Bihar, my lord. Subsequent thereto, my lord, he had preferred one application under 437, subsection 5, and the same was rejected, my lord. The rejection order is at page number 45, my lord, annexure 8. May I read, my lord, the relevant portion? The last paragraph, my lord. Considering the rival submission of both the sides, and also considering the gravity of offence, as well as the fact that the accused is a resident of state of Bihar, for procuring his attendance during trial, the prayers were made in petition number 1972/24 for modification of bail order hereby stands rejected. My lord. Even though, my lord, I am allowed to go on bail after a considerable period of time being in detention, still I am in detention, my lord, in jail, because I cannot furnish the surety insofar as government servant is concerned. However, my lord, I have people who have their land and property there. They may come from Bihar and they may submit their land documents.
My lord, this person was arrested also while traveling. Lord. He is not a resident of my lord Assam, my lord. So my lord, there is no wrong in the order, my lord. While my lord granting him bail, my lord. Because my lord, Lordship may kindly come to the FIR, my lord, page 14. Page 14 is the FIR, my lord. I am just reading the second paragraph, my lord. After arrival of train number so-and-so of Guwahati railway station at around 6 am, we conducted checking of luggage bags and passengers in coach number A1. In due course, when we were about to check one blue color backpack and two black color backpacks of the person sitting together in seat number so-and-so, the person became nervous. On inquiry, they disclosed that they were about to travel from Silchar railway station to Patna. So, my lord,
that is the allegation,
some strict condition, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, how, my lord, in the trial court will, my lord, procure his attendance?
My lord, what had happened simultaneously, if I am permitted to say so, the other two accused person has also moved on bail applications before the learned court. They were allowed to go on bail without this condition being imposed. May I furnish the order copy? So there is also a parity ground that I am seeking. Since the other accused person, the two other accused persons, has not been imposed this kind of condition. Otherwise, my lord, they are citizens of India. They have a permanent place in the state of Bihar. No?
Passed by the another court.
My lord. Otherwise, having the same jurisdiction, my lord. Relevant portion court. In para number 11, my lord. They are also from Bihar, my lord. Sir, relaxation, my lord, nothing more than that, because otherwise I am already allowed to go on bail. But even after having a bail order in my favor, my lord, I am still behind the judicial custody. And therefore my Article 21 is indirectly being affected. And this Honorable Court has the power under 439 1B, my lord, to modify or alter any such condition that is imposed by the Court of Magistrate. If necessary, my lord may also give land documents for 2 sureties also, my lord. I do not have any problem with it.
Otherwise,
Yes, my lord. If there is some doubt before the court that he may not appear, then two persons who will be bringing all their land documents.
no, it's not a
R. Thadani, my lord.
Date of arrest was when?
Date of arrest was, my lord, 24/4/24, my lord, on the date of FIR.
24. And white order. You have any bail order yet?
My lord, the bail order is annexed in page number 32, my lord. It starts from page number 32, annexure 6, my lord.
You are Mr. Papure.
Papure.
Right. Order. On body, this one, and on that one, that one, of the date of that one. Not that only as before. Government servant of Bihar, state of Bihar, and one of them not those are from according state order, but same was by order. And it has been a procure. It of government is and modified or modified or and is the order of but I hope modified right order. You allow then look along with other card, PAN card, etc.
My lord, the Aadhaar card, insofar as the Aadhaar card is concerned, the Aadhaar card has been seized perhaps.
Already.
The same
Aadhaar card of the
accused petitioner is not.
Then Bader also put it here.
My lord, the bailiff would.
Yeah, have consent with it.
My lord. Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please proceed? Even the petitioner was arrested in a vigilance and anti-corruption case, and during the petitioner was arrested in a vigilance and anti-corruption case, and during the investigation, some items were seized, mobile phones and the PAN card and the ID card, and we, after getting out from the jail, we approached the OC and as well as the IO under section 1023 CRPC to give Zimma, but that was declined. Thereafter, we approached the special judge, Assam, that was also declined, Now we have no other option to approach this court, We are ordered to court. We have approached the court below, but it was declined, if we place the petition, then court below told me that if you praise the petition, that substantial amount of fine will be imposed to you, That's why I compelled to not to praise the petition,
You have to praise the petition.
Yes, my lord. And I have.
No, after the prayer by the IO.
Yes, my lord.
We approach the court.
Yes, my lord.
Special judge.
Yes, my lord. Now, can you see para 7, my what is the observation of the court?
Para 7 मतलब page 7 मतलब. Because the original Caesar list has been forwarded by the IO Mellon at the time of forwarding the accused person Mellon, and they have returned the original Caesar list Mellon and produced a photostat copy of the Caesar list in the case record of the land court below Mellon. So in view of the recent revision judgment Mellon, the court declined to accept the petition Mellon. However, the under section 482 or 226 Mellon, this court can give the custody Mellon.
We'll call for a report, my lord.
Yes,
Report from the IO, lord, to whether this happens as required or not.
Report has to be, annexed to be either these, etc., otherwise, or what?
The report, my lord, whether, my lord, this item seized, my lord, which the petitioner has, my lord, filed his application for custody, my lord, whether it is required for further investigation or not. Because admittedly, my lord, it was seized, my lord.
In para 5 minutes, I have explained the
PAN card and identity card, etc.
yes, ma'am. PAN card, 2 mobile phones, PAN card and identity card of the petitioner, ma'am.
PAN card and identity card.
Yes, ma'am. Why it is required?
Why it is mobile phone may be required for further investigation. I card and PAN card, my lord, they can return.
Oh, that was that case.
Yes.
But that's why he declined. That was declined.
Yes.
And the order of the transport have annexed.
No, madam. Because we have not raised the petition, madam. On the verbal instruction of the land court below, madam.
So that's why there's two kinds of order.
Yes, madam.
Now they have your challenge the order of.
No, madam. I have directly come to this court, madam, because madam, under section 482, madam, this court has the jurisdiction to issue direction to the IO, madam, to give Jimma, madam, if it is not required for further investigation. Because yes, madam.
My humble submission, my lord, there has to be some application before the trial court, my lord.
No, madam,
if it is
it
rejected,
cannot be,
my
madam.
lord, if it is rejected, my lord. Because
Madam, why it was, madam, we could not praise, madam. Can see page 29 of the forwarding report.
We have submitted now.
Yes, madam. Page 29, madam, along with the forwarding report, the original Caesar list has been, madam, produced before the line court below, madam, for seen, madam. After seeing the Caesar list, madam, they have returned back the original Caesar list and produced the, madam, the photostat copy of the Caesar list in the case record of the line court below, madam. Because it was produced, my lord. Call for a report from the IO, whether it is required or not, my lord.
Required or not?
At this moment,
We have come under 482.
wait, it madam, because Ram Kumar, it's my lord, Ram Sukar Moria case, my lord. Para 59 minutes. Para 59 minutes. May I read, madam? 59 minutes. Last but second prayer.
5, then you annex 60, 61.
Para 59 minutes.
The reverse side is 59.
Yes, ma'am. It started with the word but
It's
deep.
not proper. Anyway, we have signed.
Mary, ma'am. While different situations and circumstances could arise in respect of seized property, one situation that can arise when the police submit a final negative report and the police authority failed to release the custody of the seized property in terms of 102 CRPC. In that case, there would be no remedy for the aggrieved person except to approach the High Court under section 482 CRPC or 220 of the Constitution, which would be difficult task for people living in the Five-Fang area, those belonging to each section of society. Now, my lord, in para 60, my lord, in view of the aforesaid reason stated above, we answered a reference by holding that at the investigation stage, this article cannot be released by court under section 451 CRPC. However, under section 457, the criminal court has the jurisdiction to give custody of the seized property articles at the stage of investigation when those seized property are not produced before the court. But in this case, this seized property has been produced before the court, my lord, by way of seizure list, my lord.
After vacation, man. After vacation. To 26, man. 26.
Okay, we're giving on 26.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, obliged.
Wait, please. But in this case, the petitioner who is the accused and the informant, they have jointly filed this petition, my lord, for quashing the pending sessions case. But the case was initially filed, my lord, under 376 and 493. What has happened, my lord, here is that there was a consensual relationship and there was the talks were going on for the marriage of the parties. And suddenly, due to some issues, in a fit of anger, the informant filed the case, which is there, that page 19. And in fact, the case was filed after 3 months of the alleged incident. And if I may just read, the contents of page 19, this part. Lordships have it. এইটো নিবেদন এই যে আজিৰ পৰা 3 বছৰ আগতে উক্ত আসামী ভগৱান তালুকদাৰ লগত মোৰ ফেচবুকৰ জৰিয়তে প্ৰেমৰ সম্পৰ্ক আছিল বিয়া পতাৰ প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছিল এই মৰ্মে 17/11/2022 তাৰিখে মই লৰাজনক ভৱানীপুৰলৈ মাতিছিলো আমাৰ বিয়া পতাৰ উদ্দেশ্য এই মৰ্মে সেই দিনাখন লৰাজন আহি মোক হাউলি ড্ৰিমল্যান্ড ধাবালৈ লৈ গ'ল জোৰ জবৰদস্তি কৰি শাৰীৰিক সম্পৰ্ক কৰে আৰু তাৰ পিছত মোক লৰাজনে মামাৰ ঘৰত নমাই থৈ যায় তাৰ পিছত 11/12/2022 তাৰিখে উক্ত ভগৱান তালুকদাৰে তাৰ ঘৰৰ মানুহ দেউতাক খুৰাক মামাক আদিকে আমাৰ বিয়াৰ দিন ঠিক কৰিবলৈ পঠাই দিয়ে উক্ত ঘটনাৰ 20 দিন পিছত মই ভালদৰে গম পালো যে শ্ৰী ভগৱান তালুকদাৰ অন্য এজনী মহিলাৰ লগত পুনৰ সম্পৰ্ক কৰিছে তাৰোপৰি উক্ত ভগৱান তালুকদাৰে টিহু থানাত 25/11/20 ইংৰাজী তাৰিখে মোক বিয়া পাতিম বুলি চুক্তি পত্ৰ এখন কৰি দিছিল This is the contents of the FIR. They have compromised and I have annexed the marriage certificate also, which your lordship will kindly find at page 14. That is, the marriage was registered under the Special Marriage Act before the marriage officer, Gozali. Patsala. And in fact, petitioner number 1 is a constable of the Assam Police. It's Amit servant. The case is at the stage of evidence and it is fixed on 20th of August next. And in fact, the petitioner number 2 herself has been issued summons. I have annexed the copy of the summons also. That is at page 37.
My lord, party state of Madhya Pradesh versus Lokpanian and others, my lord, it cannot be compounded, my lord. So what it can be done, my lord, the victim can appear before the trial court, my lord, case of it, my lord, it's common, my lord. She can appear and she can give evidence, my lord, that after the incident, my lord, we have got married and we are living with the husband and wife. When trial court, my lord, perhaps...
Yes, as per
Yes, my lord.
If I may place...
there are kind of relationship between those men of the effect. So let us see, we call for the
Good.
record,
Scan
and
copy,
the
right.
record, and the matter proceed because
Good.
of the compromise there. If evidence of her evidence is recorded, or otherwise there is no bar at all. Her evidence can also be recorded.
Yes, my lord. That is regarding STA, my lord. Better, my lord, she will appear before a trial court. If she gives evidence, my lord, very Thursday itself, my lord. That trial court will, my lord, take into consideration this aspect.
Trial court may or may not consider. What I would like to refer to is your lordship's decision in somewhat similar circumstances, my lord, 376 matter. After the marriage between the parties,
it is not compoundable, my lord. They cannot.
It is not compoundable. That is why I have come under 482. Had it been compoundable, then matter would have been finished. Lordship will come to the para 8 only. Lordship. Lordship.
Marriage is also not. We have
Yes.
applied for.
No, registered. No. The certificate is there. Page 14.
And what is the case
My lord, Sessions case number 48. Lordship will find the details at page 11 my lord, of the repetition of the criminal petition.
Chief or after taking?
After repetition. Lordship is fixing a date or
After taking.
Look.
What?
Look. Subject.
Now, please, Your Lordship. Yes, 11, Your Lordship, kindly have a look at FIR. Page 11. Here in the informant, he is the in charge of Mazaralga River Police OP. Mazaralga Police River OP outpost. I am reading the FIR, Your Lordship. With due respect and humble submission, I have the honor to report you that today around 7 p.m. I so along with staff so was conducting Naka checking duty at Shalbari Jogighopa Road near Forest Office, Boalimari. As the Naka duty was going on, the aforesaid accused person around 100 meters ahead of Naka point were restraining the public vehicles which were coming towards the Naka point, stating that the police team was checking the vehicles and realizing MVA Act file. All the vehicles were forced stopped at 100 meter distance from the Naka point and it created a traffic jam like situation. On this, we intervened and directed accused person who were obstructing the vehicles not to stop the vehicles of public, but instead of allowing the general public to go, they became aggressive and started assaulting us. Few of them called more people from their village, and soon after more villagers gathered on the spot and the violent move started assaulting all of us. Taking advantage of the situation, accused Akhtar Rahman snatched my service pistol and pointed towards me with intention to kill me. They also damaged the barricade placed for Naka checking. Immediately, the staff of 8 APBN responded and took back the custody of my service pistol and handed over to me. But in fact, Your Lordship, on that day, what happened? The police, that is the informant, he was collecting money from the public, saying the MBA fine. When the public demand to give money receipt in respect of the money collected from them, At the time, the informant refused to give, and on that issue, there was gathering, and the public gathered there. Thereafter, the police badly assaulted the public as well as the petition number 2 and 4. And the whole incident was captured in the mobile phone, Your Lordship. And no one snatched any pistol of the informant, Your Lordship. And in this regard, public also went to the police station to lodge FIR against the informant. But the FIR was not accepted, Your Lordship. So I am praying, Your Lordship, at this stage, interim may be given, Your Lordship, and CD may be.
The allegation that in the FIR is very serious in nature, sir. So at this time, only case there will also will examine the case there.
But the snatching pistol, Your Lordship, this is totally impossible, Your Lordship, because
there is specific in the FIR, my lord.
Specific allegation is against the accused number 1, petition number 1, that he snatched the pistol of the informant, Your Lordship. But apart from the petition number 1, there is no any allegation with regard to the other petitioner, Your Lordship. So,
go by the allegation of the FIR. It is one.
No, allegation, Your Lordship, allegation.
As far as what you have submitted, that it won't deny, because this kind of things are going on. Okay. I think that aspect, one is the obstruction of the pistol, then again, taking of the pistol from the hand of the service.
Very serious matter. And not only
Regarding that, Your Lordship, in page 6 of my petition, Your Lordship,
towards me with the intention to kill me, my lord.
No, that is, Your Lordship. That is, Your Lordship, I am denying. That means my client have sent me the video of that incident, Your Lordship. I have gone through the video, Your Lordship. There is nothing. But if Your Lordship will go through the para 6 of my petition, Your Lordship, the entire fact will.
Okay, then we are calling for.
In the meantime?
No, yes, board. We are not in it.
19, my lord.
Worship.
No,
interim. Then, Your Lordship, accept one, Your Lordship, because allegation of snatching pistol, Your Lordship, only in respect of the petition number 1. But other, Your Lordship, nothing is there, Your Lordship. So others, Your Lordship.
There is a specific allegation against
A specific allegation is only against one person, Your Lordship.
But the others, they obstructed it.
That is only in respect of the petition number 1, Your Lordship. But others, Your Lordship.
Yes, petition number 1 for petition number substantially is wrong. But the rest of the petition of the
nothing. In FIR, Your Lordship, nothing is there, Your Lordship. Therefore, Your Lordship, I am praying for others, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship will not allow the petition number 1, then I have nothing to say. Others petitioner, Your Lordship, may kindly be protected, Your Lordship.
Oh, 1907. It did not go.
Public.
This will kindly allow me to withdraw, my lord, to file a liberty, my lord. There is some.
Want to withdraw it?
Yes. Yes. Liberty to file a fresh.
Please, Your Lordship, I have been served a notice from Commissioner at Prayagraj, Lordship, and the allegation is a fraud have been committed by me, and also a direction to appear before the police station, cybercrime police station within 7 days, Lordship. Lordship, my prayer is I am ready to appear, only some protection is required from this honorable court, Lordship. And the notice is at page 14, Lordship.
1/4?
Yes, Lordship.
Cybercrime? What?
Married, Lordship.
No, not the notice. What is the allegation?
Allegation, Lordship, I have committed fraud, Lordship, allegation. In fact, I am a medical student, Lordship, and when as a higher secondary student, one of my friend took PAN card, Aadhaar card, and my signature, everything, to open a bank accounts for applying a scholarship, Lordship. And he did not apply scholarship, but he opened a bank accounts in my name, and he committed this fraud, Lordship. And after receiving this notice, I contact over telephone to my friends, and my friend admitted this fact, Lordship. So, Lordship,
65 lakhs.
yes, Lordship. And I filed a FIR against that friend also, Lordship.
Who is your friend?
Nurul Haq, Lordship. And FIR at page 16, Lordship. Which I have.
Against Nurul Haq, the case is not brought against Nurul.
No, Lordship. But I filed this case, Lordship.
Why you are entangling in the case?
Lordship.
Again, you are saying that Nurul Haq opened the account.
Yes, Lordship.
And
But
he withdrawn the money from the complainant.
Nurul Haq opened a bank account in my name, Lordship. He was my classmate when I was a higher secondary student, Lordship. He took my PAN card, Aadhaar card, and signature and used his mobile number to open my bank accounts, Lordship. He opened a bank accounts in my name, and he operated that bank accounts also, and he committed the fraud, Lordship.
He committed.
Yes, Lordship. But bank accounts is
not a very amount.
Lordship, I ready to communicate, Lordship. Only interim protection is required because I am making.
Is it a case of interim protection?
No, my lord, I have two submissions, my lord. First submission, my lord, whether this bail application is maintainable or not. Secondly, my lord, whether this honorable court has the jurisdiction, my lord, to pass the interim. Because, my lord, this notice is from my lord Prayagraj, my lord, UP, my lord.
Oh.
Yes,
the court will have no jurisdiction to pass any interim protection, my lord.
Lordship, as per recent observation of Honorable Supreme Court, this court has jurisdiction to entertain this petition, Lordship. Therefore, I filed this petition.
My humble submission, my lord, only transit bail can be, my lord, given, my lord.
No, Lordship, it is not a transit bail.
Interim protection, my lord, in respect of some other state, my lord, how can, my lord, this honorable court have the power and jurisdiction to, my lord, grant?
No, it was issued from Bihar.
But it's from UP, my lord, Prayagraj.
UP,
my lord.
It's a recent judgment, Lordship, Honorable Supreme Court.
No, you will have to, my lord, approach before the, my lord, High Court or, my lord, Session Judge in Supreme Court, sorry, my lord, in UP, my lord. From then, my lord, he can obtain some interim protection, my lord, if he wants to appear and go back to the investigation.
Oh, yes.
Lordship, have a look at para 36, Lordship, page 29 of the judgment, Lordship.
Why the matter, notice was issued with FIR was 5 years. Or
No, my lord, as far as he has not annexed the FIR, my lord. He has only annexed the, my lord, the notice, my lord. It is issued from Prayagraj Police, my lord. My lord. 160, my lord. That is the 160 notice, my lord. This is the original one, my lord, page 15, my lord. It is a Hindi Cyber Crime Thana Commissioner at Prayagraj, my lord.
Lordship, have a look at para 36, Lordship, page 29 of my judgment. May I read, Lordship? In view of what we have discussed above, we are of the view that considering the constitutional imperative of protecting a citizen's right to life, personal liberty and dignity, the High Court or the Court of Session could grant limited anticipatory bail in the form of an interim protection under Section 438 of CRPC in the interest of justice with respect to an FIR registered outside the territorial jurisdiction of the said court and subject to the following condition. So, Lordship, this court can entertain this petition.
and apart from that, there are some that.
Lordship?
So there are some guidelines or conditions.
Yes, Lordship.
So that
Prior to passing an order of limited interceptory bail, the investigation officer and public prosecutor who are seized of the FIR shall be issued notice on the first date of the hearing. Though the court in an appropriate case would have the discretion to grant the interim interceptory bail. Number 2, the order of grant of limited interceptory bail must record reasons as to why the applicant apprehend and interstate arrest and the impact of such grant of limited interceptory bail or interim protection as the case may be on the status of the investigation.
FIR was blocked at there.
Yes, Lordship.
You have not annexed the FIR also.
I have no FIR, Lordship. I have only the notice. Notice have been served to me only.
Hello, notice, Lordship may say, my lord, it is a notice under section 160 CRPC, my lord. It is, my lord, police officer's power to require attendance of witness, my lord. He has been summoned as a witness, my lord. Not summoned, my lord. Notice has been given to witness, my lord. And, my lord, as per the notice, my lord, but it is mentioned that, my lord, that account number belongs to him, my lord.
Yes,
That, my lord. How can he apprehend arrest, my lord? How can he apprehend arrest, my lord? It is not a 41A notice or other notice, my lord. That is a 160 notice, my lord. It is specifically mentioned, my lord. This is the notice in Hindi, vernacular.
Lordship, I am a medical
my lord,
student.
my humble submission, there is no, my lord, jurisdiction to of this honorable court to pass him any, my lord, interim protection. My lord, transit bail can be granted, my lord, so that he can travel from Guwahati, Assam, and to, my lord, UP, my lord.
He can approach.
Yes, my lord. Transit bail can be granted. But regarding, my lord, interim protection, my lord, wherein, my lord, there is, my lord, a notice of under 6160 CRPC has been issued, my lord. How can he, my lord, apprehend arrest, my lord? There has to be some apprehension, and that apprehension has to be genuine, my lord, and reasonable, my lord. That, my lord, notice has been issued, I may be arrested, my lord. 160 is, my lord, notice, where is his apprehension, my lord? No apprehension, my lord.
Yes.
Right. Brad, FIR number. Power to run the form of of witness can get my it's one. Other way to get the call. Get put in the field.
May I submit one thing? There is one admission matter wherein I have been convicted for 3 years, my lord, and I have been allowed to remain on previous bail for 1 month, and that's a case of POCSO Act. Only one admission matter, for which I have been waiting for it. Just one matter in the supplementary 62, my lord.
Okay, we'll try to take it up.
Deeply obliged.
He is in jail, my lord. So, my lord, the matter may be taken away to, my lord, I was paid morning, my lord. So, matter may be taken, my lord. Item 67.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yeah.
438 application, Your Lordship. Allegation under NDPS Act. Allegation is not against me, Your Lordship. Kindly see page 10, Your Lordship. 10 operative person, page 11, Your Lordship. Last paragraph. After completion of all formalities as per NDPS Act and CRPC, the police party departed from the PO at 7:50 p.m. and returned to the police station at 8 p.m. along with the seized items of 2 apprehended persons. During interrogation of the apprehended accused persons, they revealed that they had brought the seized suspected ganja from Nagaland as per suggestion of one Moon Kaur alias Dullab Kaur of Borville. On the basis of statement of accused, Your Lordship, I am apprehending, Your Lordship. And the seized article is suspected ganja of amounting 14.51 kg.
Yes, sir. So there is apprehension that his co-accused will take his name, madam. He is so the CD, man.
CD may be called for till Lordship interim protection may be
not
granted because Lordship the 2 persons who were occupants of the vehicle, they were already arrested, and it was arrested on 23/5/2024, and the article, Lordship, that was
It seems that the other two who were already arrested,
Lordship.
they may be better, better, but you are the main kingpin. From your suggestion, only those participated will drop.
No, Lordship.
Page 11 is very much clear, madam.
That is suspected ganja, Lordship. If that may not be ganja, Lordship. For forensic.
May not be ganja.
That is true.
It would be nice, my lord, if it is not ganja.
And only on the basis of statement
Okay,
of
let us
accused.
call for the case diary.
Lordship.
The case may be progressed by this time also. So whether they have uttered your name or not at all, maybe some Naga person, maybe people also. So they does not a case for the education.
Lordship, he is the only sole breadwinner of their family, and
He is the breadwinner, but he should do other things, other work. Not
Not this
be
way.
doing this. Isn't it? Maybe breadwinner, I can understand. Yes,
23rd, madam.
23rd.
Humanity.
24.
24.
We are
How like
calling.
it?
May I please, for 38 application, my lord. FIR is on page 9, my lord. What happened, my lord? In this case, my lord, one person, my lord, died in police custody, my lord. And due to that, my lord, some villagers get out the police station and some altercation has took place, my lord. And some police person injured also, my lord. That is the case. The petitioner was present there, my lord, but not take part, not involved, my lord. I am ready to cooperate, my lord.
Whether there is such kind of injury because case is also registered under treatment.
Yes, ma'am.
May not be involved. I think with that the case is registered under 326. So what you want to say in that regarding the injuries sustained by the police officer?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want in that?
My lord, in my involvement is not there, my lord.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes. Good job. Yeah.
Yes, Lord.
When is the FIR?
CD আছে নেকি? CD আছে?
No, one minute, Lord. So there is one note.
20? Yeah, no.
না, কালি ফিক্স আছে এটা।
We are
So
on
there is a
26.
note we received that. No.
And my lord, some out of same case diary, my lord, tomorrow fix, my lord. 2 cases of same case diary fixed tomorrow, my lord. For CD, my lord.
For it.
Yeah. Out of same case diary. Same case, yes, my lord.
It has already been fixed tomorrow.
Yes, my lord. There is
Okay,
BA number,
we're fixing it tomorrow.
BA number 1639, along with, it may be recorded.
Tomorrow.
Along with,
They are one.
along with BA number
Along with the number.
1639. 39 or 24. BA number, man.
Oblique 20.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Against conviction and sentence under the POCSO Act, my lord. 3 years conviction, my lord. Against this appeal has been preferred. Statutory appeal, my lord. I pray, my lord, will be pleased to admit the appeal and stay the sentence part. 3 years. He is under sexual assault, my lord. Section A, my lord. That's the punishment for sexual assault. Yes, sir. Yes. 13/6/2024, and I have been allowed to remain on previous bill. Yes, sir. Maybe a bit. My lord? Yes, my lord. That's why Miss case is also there, my lord, so that I can continue my liberty, my lord. I leave it to your lordship. If your lordship direct me, faith. Fresh bail application. the sentence is required to be, my lord, suspended. My lord? ঠিক আছে।
Number 1 to 1 of the whereby the arrive for 3 and 3 the final of the apply for one of the corporate no problem. Now come to the left eye, to the left stick to right. Yes. This is the left. Brain for adjustment or pass by that up of eight of that again order and repeat the first right update run allowed connected or fine. But it's did you try because of bail or
all along bail?
All along bail. About speed. Also, by allow. Allow keep it bail. Happy and order. And the court thereby further to ban out French ban or network with respect of target activity company with the stock
Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
পরিবার রাখতে ব্যাপার কোচিং I was good. Okay. And now we're going for
May I please, Lordship? 439 bail application, my lord. Allegation is 21B, my lord. Total, my lord, 8.06 gram, my lord, drug, my lord, including, my lord, plastic. Excluding, it will be less than, my lord, 7 gram, my lord. Already 58 days, my lord, behind the bar, my lord. Already, my lord. And there is the hard percent also,
yes,
my lord.
any problem?
Lordship, in this regard, we didn't receive a Lordship.
What you have got?
Yes.
It is not it.
Yes.
PT Mallet on Mallet 2024 it was Mallet
24?
it was available in the court. Yes.
So let us take Lordship.
Yes,
Maybe time being we will take an instruction from the office whether it is available.
Otherwise, it's the year of it. Behind the birth is when?
58 days.
No, since when? Date?
1/5 Mallet.
1/5.
First May 2020.
Behind the birth, 58 days.
58 days.
Instruction out very particular.
No, yes. Right now I am taking time. Yes.
Then for 5 days.
Yes.
Otherwise, we are considering if suppose practice is not ready.
Yes.
Or if it is correct. So you have been in jail has it is quite a long time.
Yes, station double floor. PT Feta 632. Really small. And then small one. Small one. Mickey Feta.
What was the quantity?
My lord?
Quantity of rupee recovered?
Is 8.06 gram.
8.06 with plastic full.
Actually, it will be less than 5 gram.
Much better than much. How? But so you can take.
Yes, I can.
Just I have just dictating upward. Here, the time. Just 5 minutes.
Wait, please, Lord. Madam, the 24 and 25 both are against the same accused person. In fact, the FIR at item 25 was registered first, and in that. So may I pray, Madam, the 25 may be taken up first. In the other case, he was shown arrest. The FIR is at page 11. This FIR was filed on 29th of September 2023, madam. Page 11. The charge sheeted case, and he is for almost 9 months, my lord, the accused is in jail, my lord. Your Lordship, the medical report is also annexed, my lord, at page 21. That may kindly be seen, my lord. This is important. Page 21. Your Lordship will see sign of well, page 21. Your Lordship will note, my lord, the recordings made, my lord. While the age was not, my lord, examined of the girl, the sign of recent sexual intercourse not seen, my lord. Injury on her private part or body not seen. So there was no external injury, no sign of recent sexual intercourse. She was examined on 39 itself. Same date the very next day, my lord. 29th the Azhar was filed and 30th was the date of examination. The order framing charge is at page 24. By the court of the special judge. Page 24. Order dated 2/1/24. There, at the bottom, your Lordship will see. And charge under section 6, POCSO Act, alternately 376 AB, IPC, and under section 10, POCSO Act, and under section 506, Part 2 IPC is framed and read out to the accused person to which it is, etc., etc. And this court wanted that in spite of the length of detention, that the victim be examined first, the last order may kindly be seen, On 20th of May 2024, registry was directed to procure the copy of statement of victim along with other witnesses recorded so far. So she was examined, the victim was examined, that copy I have.
But my lord, is not in the scan copy, my lord.
Photo On 11/6 he was examined. Sexual assault case এটা হয়ে assault. My humble submission, my lord, a case under section, my lord, the offence for sexual assault, my lord. 7 under 7 and 8, my lord, may be made up. Where punishment is up to 5 years. And since already 9 months have been passed, my lord, Section 7 and 8 assault, my lord, sexual assault. Yes, ma'am. My lord, your lordship may hold it to be aggravated, but not penetrative in at all, my lord. And in that case also, my lord, it will be.
Lordship may kindly go through her evidence. It is a clear case of section 6, my lord.
Huh?
Evidence.
It is not penetrative, my lord. Maybe aggravated sexual assault, but not penetrative. No, my lord, the statement doesn't speak of that, my lord. My lord, it is there, your lordship may kindly go through it. Sure?
It is aggravated, my lord.
Section 7 covers that, my lord. It is so. Aggravated sexual assault. No, your lordship it says. All these things will come later, my lord. 9 months he has passed. Yes, length of detention. The rejection order is also annexed in the petition. That is the last annexure. Annexure 7, page 26. Annexure page 26. It is dated 9/1/24. Father of 2 sons. One is a doctor, government doctor, and one is a graduate. Sons, 2 sons are there. He is a father. He is in the late 50s. Yes, 2 sons. He is in late 50s. The other case, my lord, that is shown as my same accused. Right. Shown as after 1 month. The Azahar is at page 12. By different.
Team is different, my lord. Accused statement.
Accused is same.
Yes.
The Azahar speaks that he had attempted to commit rape on Rizumuni Soika. That is the allegation. No more. And that this was registered on 29/9/20, same day.
First time under section 10 note, which is the other one. Under section 10, my lord. No, different. Both are different cases, my lord. Accused is same, my lord.
My lord, in the first case that I had placed at item number 25, I was arrested in that case. That is the first case. And the second case, here I was shown arrestment, item number 24. Same accused. Petitioner is a shop owner. He's a Galamal Dukan Khana. And his two sons, one is elder son is a doctor and a graduate. Definitely.
10, my lord. Other one.
For alleged attempt, accused person attempted to commit rape on Rizumani Soike at page 12, Annexure 1. Annexure 2 will show that he was shown arrest on 30th of September. 30th of, page 17, man. Please do 3010. 3010. One month there. 3010. That is page 17. Annexure 2. One second. The order is at page 18. 17 is the application main. 18 is the order. 18 is the order. Yes. And charge was framed at page 21. And order of rejection is at page 23. Thirty-ten.
My lord, in respect to item number 25, my lord, the victim girl examined, my lord, and she has deposed. She has given her evidence, my lord. She has implicated this person, my lord. So I oppose this bail application at this stage. Item number 25. And item number 24, my lord, probably my evidence not yet started, my lord.
Evidence started.
Item number 24, victim not examined, my lord. Because the scan copy, my lord, it is not up to date, my lord.
No, my lord, in this case, second case, 24, my lord, victim has not been examined till date.
Next date is 6th of August.
Next date is fixed on 6th of August. What? Any other witness? Informant mother. Mother, yes, informant has been examined and the victim girl has been examined. Basically, this length of detention, he already suffered from 30th of September 23. And proceeding is going on. Any condition may be imposed.
I am opposing my lord at this stage, my lord, because item number 25, there are already evidence of the victim girl murder. He has committed the offence. And in respect to item number 24, my lord, victim girl yet to be examined. Let the victim girl examined in item number 24, my lord. After that, what we may consider after that. Because it is a case of 10 POCSO, my lord, other one. But item number 25 is a case of POCSO 6, my lord. victim guard has clearly, my lord, stated, my lord, before the honorable trial court, that, my lord, he has committed the
The FIR, the language of the FIR may kindly be seen, my lord. In that case, my lord, if my friend is opposing so much, what is this? If at all, at that time the accused person had attempted to commit rape on Rizumuni Soikia, that is the allegation. Only attempt. Nothing is said, and they said on the, about 3 p.m. somehow my daughter Rizumuni Soikia was able to escape from the accused. In any case, my lord,
164 statements he has implicated the other case.
Definitely they will implicate 164.
I want 54 to 1000.
Implication the whole length of weekend.
He is appearing for the information.
Yes, it's,
I am for the
yeah,
information.
it's for which package you have it?
As per order of this court.
Yes. Amicus, my lord, as per
In both the items.
yes, my lord, both the
What is the subject?
my lord, the accused is has my lord grocery shop, my lord, and these are my lord minor girls, my lord. Not one cases, my lord, two cases, my lord. That is my lord serious, my lord, allegation, my lord. There may not be, my lord, there may be attempt, my lord. That is for minor girl, my lord. The attempt is sufficient to commit, my lord, this type of, my lord, incident, my lord. What is the psychological effect of the minor girl, my lord, if he is granted bail? Not only one, my lord, two minor girls, my lord. That was, my lord, and 164 statement also indicated, my lord. And, my lord, in evidence also, my lord, in item number 25, my lord, she is implicated. That is my objection, my lord, if at this stage granted bail, my lord. There is a chance of tampering of evidence in letters to the
Go by the airport.
Much of it.
May I please, Your Lordship? This is item 26, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, we have made one typographical error, my lord, inadvertently, mentioning the special case number as 133/22 instead of 134, my lord. It ought to be 134, my lord. Therefore, we have filed on additional affidavit, my lord, praying for calling the original case record.
It ought to be 134.
134. Special NDPS case number 134/22.
Is there the order, the defective this thing? The order has been passed? No.
No, my lord.
That regard whether
And it
any-
was mentioned as 133, my lord. That is why wrong scan copy has been paid.
Yes.
My lord, scan copy of my lord, case number 133 has been forwarded, my lord.
So this is the first time we have brought this one before the court.
Yes.
Now, lordship, that scan copy of the 134 may be called.
Otherwise, it should 134.
134. It is mentioning the additional affidavit, madam. We have filed. You can.
The number of the patient, number of the number of the case mentioned as Petition number 1 3 of instead of 134 of there is out of Bajari therapy one data scan of the scan of the exterior and 20 for so that the is number of picture and it's number 1 give a call.
Apply.
What?
Also, there is one mistake. We have received the CD. Yes. And such not made, and it's an intermediate quantity. That's the thing, Lordship. Otherwise,
Otherwise, materials are available.
Materials are there from his possession. That is received as a intermediate quantity, and other part is there, Lordship.
Now the question that FSL, we have received the FSL?
FSL that is not received, Lordship. Yes. I have found the FSL report is not there.
Or is there any probability to filing
The FSL report is
not yet received?
Not at this time.
Material found 8.6 gram including the plastic polythene. But actually it will be a small quantity.
But it's above the Lordship, above the small amount is yes.
Already.
Yes. Yes.
So make up 7.
Already 57 days already behind the bar market. So that may be considered for payment. Special just Morigama.
It was for time being, due to some reason.
Yes, 40 days already completed during custody. Intermediate quantity.
No. Supposed to. Yes.
Mr. R.R. Burwa.
All of our. Yes.
The petition is there.
Usami is dealing with Mr. 28?
Mr. Borra is there, madam.
Okay. Okay, we are with her. Yes.
29.
29.
His petition is behind bar since 5 my lord. What has happened, my lord? 5 my lord.
Now, my lord, I'll just take you to the FIR, my lord, first. Section below, otherwise section 354, 120B and my lord, section 10 of the POCSO, my lord. I'll just take you to page 17, my lord. The lordship will see the occurrence is date, my lord, serial number 3, date 45, time is 23:55. So, my lord, just prior to midnight of 4:05, my lord. The accused was arrested then and there. Lordship will see the information received at the FIS police station on 5/5. Next day, time is 20:30. So it is 8:30 in the evening. So, my lord,
before my landed in your offense start, my whether notice complete, whether notice
has to go.
Yes, because it has to be complete.
now I have taken steps both ways, my lord, to the PP as well as the lord.
Whether there is any note not in the record.
লাজেতত কোনো অৰ্ডাৰ নাই স্পেচিফিক সেইকাৰণে কোনো নোট নাই
Resume verify when whether completed. What I do in the
Taken state check.
I have taken steps both ways.
Both ways. I do.
Sometimes what happens, my lord, since the my lord, papers are issued by registry, my lord, after service, my lord, they service to the registry, my lord, instead of us, my lord. So sometimes it is, my lord, in the dispatch section also. So my lord, registry may verify, give a note.
Even otherwise, the date is fixed for CCA tomorrow. Will.
The service may be evicted and we have case record.
My case record perhaps received, my
Case record.
Received.
Case record is received. Maybe it did. And you can file a fresh, not fresh, you make a mention before they raised it to list it on the vacation page otherwise.
Vacation probably it will be. Lordship may fix it just immediate after the vacations.
Immediately after vacation.
After vacation. Because we'll have, at the vacation courts, Lordship understands. Immediately after the vacations, any date. Probably possible 16th.
Along with the service report.
Yes. Service report
from the registry. That will be verified by the registry.
They have taken steps, so both ways they have taken steps. Register
no, one notice I have filed never. We have filed one notice. They have taken steps on 5th of June.
Yes,
5th of June. So maybe service may be awaited. Or both 60 or also better than only be 50, 60, 70, 80 enough food.
Yes, lots of
17, 18. Be on 19 then.
Deep obliged.
the time begins.
Intermediate quantity or 48 days in judicial custody.
Pending for FSL, my lord. The quantity mentioned as CZR, my lord, 77 gram, my lord, and without the soft test, 24.06 gram. In pending for FSL, my lord, it is from the process of the expert.
So what can be expected?
My lord,
Within 10
we have inquired
10
from the police station, my lord. They have not received the FSL report as on today, my lord. That is the information received from today, my lord.
The fighting it may not be possible or
May not be
it
possible,
will
my
be
lord.
possible.
Or second thing is that, my lord, if Lordship takes it after vacation, my lord, then you will complete probably 60 days.
Other materials are there.
Materials are there.
Details is from his pocket.
His pocket.
In which court? Yes.
Kamrup Metro.
Metro. That need to continue.
They have not mentioned the date, my lord, after it.
What to do? March.
Last date mentioned, my lord, 12/5. After that also, my lord, they have made several entries, my lord, but they have not put any date.
That after his arrest, they did
Yes.
something that packaging certificate, but there are did
Yeah,
okay, you are disposed of. Case is disposed of, you have done. You have to done. Now, satisfaction of competent.
Yes.
Competent.
Obliged.
Special certificate.
Special care.
और Kamrup gather additionals are also receiving the ticket.
Yes. Special judge.
Even special judge is also big company.
Yes, yes.
So when I take with additional court number where it is pending or because there is no particular court dedicated to the special. No special court is there.
Yes, it is there, but other courts, additional one is also taking, two is also taking. Special judge. Special Kamrup Metro.
I try to make it from which place?
Here only.
The outside certificate from here.
From Bihar.
He's from Bihar.
Bihar.
Who is from Bihar?
Bihar, my lord. Yes.
So he is from Bihar.
So 31 and 44 may be taken up together, my lord.
31 and 44. I don't know whether it can be taken up together or not. 31 and 44.
44 is interim lordship is there, lordship.
My lord, 31, my lord, he has already completed 90 days, my lord.
90 days. 110 days.
And 44.
110 days, Lordship, on last occasion, Lordship, only for instruction whether charge sheet is submitted or not.
No, charge is not submitted, Lordship. That I verified.
Already custodial mandatory period completed.
That person, my lord, he has completed 90 days, my lord. It's a case of 395, my lord. And, my lord, the entire quantity of supari, my lord, Erekanath, that has not been able to recover, my lord. Some portion they have recovered, my lord, but entire, my lord, not yet recovered. So regarding 31, my lord, he has completed institutive period, my lord. And 44, my lord, there is material, my lord, in the case there. Although, my lord, he was granted interim.
And Lordship, he appeared to the IR. Election. Itu sana tu lah.
It is case of
Morigal.
Morigal.
CGM Morigal.
And the person from to which district? He is from Gwalpara.
Well,
44, 31. Now come to 40. Yes, 44, but
And the 44, my lord, it is one accused person also he has implicated, and he said 37 bags of supari model unloaded in the house of Sunny Tool, my lord. Now my learned friend has said that there are two Sunny Tool, my lord.
different Sunny Tool.
Then, my lord, in that case, I have to verify the case that he was the volume of case that he was.
And Lordship, I'm sorry, Lordship, on that last occasion, Lordship, another BA is there, Lordship. And after perusal the case diary, Lordship, and this Sunny Tool is not that Sunny Tool and whose recovery is concerned. But from this person, Lordship, nothing has been recovered and he was another Sunny Tool, Lordship. On last occasion, Lordship, as per the case diary, Lordship. As per the case diary, Lordship, and earlier one more BA is there, Lordship. And case diary reveals nothing against me, Lordship, but that Sunny Tool is another person. But I am is another.
My lord, in this regard, my lord, I have to go through the case diary again.
My lord, after vacation.
He is on interim, my lord, so let me see after vacation, my lord.
44. Otherwise,
He has appeared, my lord. He has appeared.
He was an interim.
Lordship.
You were an
interim.
He appeared before the IO, my lord. But as far as the materials are concerned, whether there are materials or not, that I have to, my lord, go through again.
case you are going to detain?
No, madam, we will return the case diary, madam. We will call it again, madam. My lordship will fix it 29th of July. 29th.
It will carry.
Lordship. Lordship, I want clear, Lordship. Item number 32, next item, Lordship. Charge sheet already will late, Lordship.
Charge sheet submitted, my item 32.
NDBS commercial.
Charge sheet number 77 oblique 2024.
77?
Oblique 2024.
Ah.
Dated 16/5/2024.
5.
My lord, I would like to.
So that you approach the London
Line.
May I please,
Published.
May I please, Lordship, item number 33. Our solicitation.
33 also charge sheet submitted, lordship.
In 33 also.
33 also. My lord,
Just tell us.
charge sheet number 369
369.
oblique 2024. Dated 18/6/2024.
Same order will be
Same order, my lord. If they are interim, my lord, then they will appear, my lord.
not on Indian. The portfolio there is behind the bar.
For PMP. Yes.
Did you approach the London trial court?
My lord, I beg to mention item number 46. It has twice it was listed. It was came over leftover. So could it be listed tomorrow or vacation bench on second?
We cannot visit a vacation bench. That is the problem. We cannot visit vacation bench. Just one thing. Just approach, please fix your matter. That can. Otherwise, tomorrow it's also over.
CD may be retained.
CD was there available.
Yeah, will listen.
That's not passing any order. Are you on increase that?
No, that's a concern.
So we can okay, fix the date. Well, just take it up prior to that, make a mention of it.
And that could be reflected in the order.
What?
That no. Okay. Much of it.
We are putting it on 15/7, and you make a mention if before you raise it. If it is that okay, otherwise, and if you are it is a B, na?
AB, yes.
Or otherwise, if doesn't be definitely we are lifting it on just reopening the order.
Much of it.
May I please, your lordship. Item number 53, my lord. Similar order, my lord. A scanning copy is available, my lord.
Huh?
Item number 53.
Can copy?
On last occasion, a scan copy was called. What you want?
What do you want now?
There are 3 accused persons who are already granted
what
bail.
to do now?
I am only one, my. Similar order may be passed by this honorable court. Similar order.
Similar order is different thing. But I don't know what is your involvement in this case. The CD will reveal.
Someone was issued to wrong address, my lord. And
okay, then it will be listed on 70. From Tipakuri Devar, okay, listing it on 70. You want to retain the case this one?
right.
Otherwise, it's a scan copy.
Scan copy.
Okay. You want to say it is of the wrong address.
Wrong address. Someone was issued to wrong address.
Okay, 70. Which is and listing it on 77.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, item number 37, my lord. I am on interim, my lord. That may be continued, lord.
37 we have received the case diary.
CD is there, lordship, but statement of the victim girl is not here, lordship. That's why your lordship earlier also not passed.
Now statement is there.
Now also
I have to take it.
not there.
Victim statement is not there.
Statement should not be taken because he was a dump.
She was a dump.
No other required by this not taken. And they are on interim.
No, but what order will pass? Because on the last occasion, most probably
Yes, it is
was
also
called
my
for.
call for my statement of the victim.
Otherwise, lordship, informant already appeared, lordship.
Because my lord, we have 10 takes that he was
Regarding?
Regarding the
Statement of the victim.
Statement of the victim.
So is there any note from the IO that it could not be recorded due to sweat?
Their notes are there.
But thereafter they have not made any effort.
On two occasions, they have tried my lord.
Could not. Most probably she is not acquainted with the sign language, so that may be one of. That is one most problem we are facing here. Because they belong to, suppose they have a poor family and all. Sign languages, they are not acquainted. That. So what to do now?
Whoever the victim statement is more important, that is why my lord last time there are before also. So we can take a chance for otherwise.
Okay, we are extending your interim till 29 September. CDP return and IO is directed to make another effort. Otherwise,
Lordship, item 65 and 65 and 66, Your Lordship.
Interim
Here-
orders wherever it may be continued.
In here, Your Lordship, the petitioner is in custody for 60 days, Your Lordship. I think CD is received, Your Lordship. This matter, at least, in item 65, Your
what nature of it?
And Poxo is there, Your Lordship. No, that may be at least, Your Lordship, on tomorrow, Your Lordship, because
Not at all possible. Now see today is also there. How to make a mentality before a race, so that either take a second, third, or 11 or